Good day, my name is Cassie, my surname is Skutter. I'm the CEO of Health Window, and today I'm going to share with you how we are empowering pharmacy to profit from data-driven customer engagement. Really big companies with really big data sets have figured out that they can mine their data to target the right customer with the right product. Their focus for using data is primarily on marketing. There are very good reasons why data is a topic of discussion. Each customer is different and each customer has its own needs. Data defines that customer and it defines what their needs are. It also allows sensible engagement of that customer. In terms of pharmacy, where customers are patients, they've also come to expect personalized treatment. It allows the pharmacist to be proactive instead of reactive. Instead of hoping that the customer will come in, you can use your data to make sure proactively that you cause them to come in. There are three key reasons why your data is valuable. The first is that targeted marketing that runs on data costs less. If you promote a specific product and you want to promote it to the full customer database, you're spending the money of promoting to everybody. But if you start by knowing who really needs that product, you only promote to those customers that need it, and therefore only spend the money on the ones that need it. Secondly, targeted marketing has a far higher probability of success. If you can determine from your data which customers needs a product, the probable conversion rate of that promotion of a product to those customers is far higher. And lastly, if you add disease content or health content to those touch points with the customer, it increases the relevance to the customer. So you can use your data intelligently on a far bigger scale than many other retail industries can use it. So why would you use data for customer engagement? CVS has bought Target Pharmacies. Target Pharmacies is the group that is known to have predicted that their girl was pregnant and started marketing baby products to her. Her father saw what was happening and got annoyed and confronted them around the reasons why they are promoting baby products to his daughter. And the end result was that they actually used data to predict that she was pregnant whilst she and her father didn't know yet. The reasons for using data is firstly that customers want it if you create value for them. If you can make sure that you touch them and offer value, it is no longer spam. Secondly, you need it to be able to compete. Large corporates have tremendous amounts to invest in generating insights from data and then to use it to create customer value and retain their customers better and sell more by answering to their needs better. And others are using your data. So many pharmacies in South Africa have agreements that sell their data. The pharmaceuticals are buying that, they are processing it to determine what's happening in the market, what the market share movements are. They are benefiting from that. Why should you as pharmacists not benefit from using your own data? Finding value is critical when engaging patients with or customers with data. Health industry or the health industry is not retail. Pharmacy is a health destination for patients. They require therapy, and that's the primary reason they still visit independent pharmacies. When a retailer uses data, they have to persuade a patient to buy something. They have to sell something to him. For example, a bicycle. So based on the conclusion that this is a sporty family, maybe they might want to promote a bicycle and they have to try and sell that to them. Healthcare providers can tell. So where a retailer addresses wants, healthcare providers can tell somebody that they need a product because of their health condition. To engage customers sensibly, you need to create campaigns that speak to the customer's needs. Those campaigns, when you create them, have to have a value focus. It has to offer sensible healthcare solutions. It can be products or services. And if it's data driven, you can make sure the right product or service is promoted to the right customer that needs it. When executing a campaign, you have to create a value proposition to that customer, then create the target audience in the system, and then connect the two. Once the proposition speaks to the audience's needs, it will have a dramatic impact on the probability of them reacting to that promotion or that marketing campaign.